Hey guys, welcome back. I just want to show you a dry result from two uploads ago. This turned out really beautiful. I love it. It's a nice solid board. The movement in it is gorgeous. If you guys missed this video, I'll link it in my description box underneath this video so you can click and watch it straight away. Gorgeous piece, one of my favorites. Okay, so today we are working on the same size board. It's 20 inches and it's birch ply. I have put a coat of, or painted on titanium white with a little bit of burnt umber. I just used acrylic and rolled it on with a foam sponge roller. So that's nice and dry. I did the edges as well, so it's all set. I have it on my spinner. And we won't be spinning, but I like to use it to maneuver. Okay, so the theme for today's colors is pumpkin spice latte. Love or hate them, I love them. Let me know if you guys like them. I haven't had one yet, but this week I'll probably grab one. I'm just popping some of the air bubbles. Now, orange is not my color. This color palette kind of scares me a bit, just with the orange, so I'm hoping it turns out nice. I'm trying to go out of the comfort zone with the colors for you guys. So let's do a quick, okay. Alright, I'll do a quick walkthrough of the colors. We have titanium white with burnt umber. We have burnt umber. We have this little piggy latte, which I think I'm going to use for my negative space. It's nice and shimmery, so very shimmery actually. That's a really shimmery pigment. And then we have, what is this one called? Horizon with a dash of vermilion, if I'm saying that correctly. And there we go. Nice color, but it's just not my thing. So I'm going to take it easy and just try and get hints of that. So what else do we have? This is burnt umber with titanium white as well. There's just more burnt umber in it, as you can see. And that is it. Orange, orange, orange. Okay. I'm gonna save this for my negative space. So what I'll do is I'll go in, I don't know, let's just go for it. Doesn't matter. Let's just do it. My paint is mixed with floetrol and heavy gel gloss by Golden. You can use regular if you want. I don't know, I like the heavy because I like this a really thick pouring medium. You can read more about that in the description underneath this video. Okay. Oh, the orange is scaring me. It's just like it's like, ugh. I can see it on the corner of my eye and I'm like, oh, I don't know. But we're just gonna go for it. And if we don't like it, we'll scrape up and try something else. Oh my gosh, do I do it? Do I do it? Let's see. Okay. All right, don't be such a, let's just go for it. Again, let's just paint, let's scrape it up, right? Well, that's definitely reminding me of fall, so. And we're gonna just drizzle a little bit of this latte, because again, I wanna use this for the negative space. We'll drizzle some on just to get that nice shimmer. It's like a really gorgeous, creamy, shiny, shimmery cream color. I love it. And it mixes in really well. It's got a lot of mica in it, so that just kind of melts into your pouring medium. Okay, so we'll wait to put the latte down. I'm thinking I'm gonna go with a little bit more of this darker, the burnt umber around the edge here. And then blow this around, see what happens. Okay, I have my Babyless travel hair dryer, no cool shot or anything like that. It's just I use it on low. I think it's 1200 watt. I'm gonna pop the air bubbles with it from up high. And now I'm going to kind of do the same thing I did in the last video, or the last round that I worked on. I want to really get some movement here, movement going that way, and then try and get something in the middle. Like some petals when we blow out, you'll see. Just gonna hold it up high. When the paint starts to move, I'm gonna just like relax and just kind of go with the flow and push, kind of watch where it's going and push it to my liking. Okay, not bad. I'm liking that. I kind of did it in like a layered way, and then I think I might do that one more time, and then kind of do the same thing over there on that side. More paint to cover. I don't want to force it. We're gonna blow out some petals as well, probably when we do the negative space. I just feel I need more paint, just to get it to flow. So like most of this will fall off the edge, but I just want to have flow and I don't want to force things. I'm actually not too afraid of that orange right now. It's so fall. Leave it like that for now, except for there's some paint that's not over the edge. I just want to push that over. Touch up the edges when we're done. I'm just gonna blow that. See the bare spot here and here? Just do it with your mouth, but I'm just gonna use my hairdryer. I am not hating the orange, which is totally weird. And I really did not want that much orange in it, but it's not that bad. All right, let's take this gorgeous latte and pour it around, and then we'll blow it around. I'm gonna get some petals kind of blown out as well, so probably anyway. This is gonna dry so pretty, this latte. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know if you guys like this orange or what colors you want to see me play with next, or do you like pumpkin spice lattes as much as I do? Helps me with the algorithm to get my videos shown, because you know we're always fighting with that thing. All right, I'm gonna blow this out. Now, just keeping in mind that I do want not a crazy amount of paint, but I do want some nice enough paint along the border of this so I can blow out some petals, and I want it to move nicely and free instead of forcing it. So I'll blow a lot off, and then you'll kind of see me come in a little bit. Let's see. Okay, another reason I like to, when I'm doing these like chaos style blowouts, sometimes, not every time, but most of the times I pour the negative space kind of after I've blended these colors. So that way when I put my negative space in, I have the option of messing around with my composition, moving things if I'm not happy. If that makes sense, it does in my head. Sorry, I keep talking and then I forget what I was going to do, so. I feel like a little bit more paint needs to go here, otherwise that won't flow as nice. Oh my gosh, that latte is gonna be so gorgeous when it's dry. I almost wanna like hang this on the front door. Okay, so I'm going to push in just a little with the hairdryer, and then I'm gonna try and do some nice petals. We'll see. Now I'm going to take a step back and just check it out. This is fall. This is my fall. This is so my fall. A lot of white going on there, but I'm a little bit iffy on even messing with it because I really, really like this. And I don't necessarily mind like the color blocks that are in it. The latte is going to dry so nice. This looks very like dried leaf, like fall. Oh, I love it. Okay. Let's see if we can fix this. And then this isn't covered. That's fine. Let's see. with the hairdryer, you can really mess things up really quick. So I'm just gonna leave it, let it just chill out. I'm gonna match up my edges. Let me spin it so you guys can see it. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that just the way it is. This is gonna be so velvety, shimmery, amazing. This is what I had in mind. I did not think I was gonna put so much orange in, but I'm so glad that I did. Shocked. But this is so my fault. These are my colors that I like. It's just painting with orange, blowing out, and it's just not mine. Didn't think anyway, but I'm delighted with it. I'm gonna tidy up the edges, and then I will bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay guys, here we go. Fix the edges. They're all nice and tidied. And let's see if we can get some shimmer without even turning the flash on. You can see there the latte, that's gonna dry so nice and it's gonna look all velvety. I'm super happy with it. I was not expecting to be into the orange, but just the colors everything just pulled together really nice. Movement is great. I love how I kind of layered the blowout, if you know what I mean. But yeah, it's not bad. Cool fall piece. My pumpkin spiced latte themed painting blowout. Subscribe, let me know what you guys think, and I will talk to you guys in the next video, hopefully, unless it's music. Alright guys, talk soon. Bye!